This week, we're focusing on SoFi and what to expect in the coming days. We'll discuss potential volatility in the stock price and the key factors influencing it.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. This upcoming week is packed with significant events. We'll hear from several Federal Reserve speakers, and key economic data releases will be in the spotlight. On Tuesday, the Producer Price Index (PPI) will be released, followed by the Consumer Price Index (CPI) on Wednesday. Thursday brings retail sales figures and initial jobless claims, both of which the market will watch closely, especially the consumer-related data, which is a critical piece alongside the CPI. The week ahead looks like it will be a wild ride. The Fear and Greed Index is currently showing extreme fear with a reading of 24. This low level suggests that risk appetite may be limited, which could significantly impact interest rates and growth stocks like SoFi. Looking at the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting on September 18th, there's nearly an even split in expectations between a 50 basis point cut and a 25 basis point cut. If the trend leans toward a larger cut, it could benefit the broader market, including SoFi. As for SoFi specifically, there are no major announcements or events scheduled this week, so it should be relatively quiet on that front. However, something that caught my eye is the recent 13F filings. While these are typically delayed, Virtual Financial LLC completely exited their position in SoFi. This might be a sign that some institutions are becoming discouraged with SoFi, possibly due to perceived manipulation. Virtual Financial has been active in petitioning the SEC against such practices, which makes their exit notable. Currently, SoFi's short interest stands at 17% of the free float, with approximately 177.94 million shares being shorted. The short interest was recently updated, showing that as of July 31st, 181.5 million shares were shorted, representing 17.48% of the float. This figure has slightly decreased, indicating that some shorts have started to cover their positions. However, with the upcoming economic data, we can expect shorts to remain active. On the options front, the last week's chain for August 9th closed at $6.63, meaning the $6.50 strike prices will be exercised. This could lead to a small bump on Monday as market makers cover 1.2 million shares. For the upcoming week, the open interest at $6 and $6.50 is relatively modest, but there are significant walls at $7 and above. This could limit SoFi's ability to push past the $7 mark, though it might make a run for it. Manipulation continues to be a concern, as seen in the cost to borrow. The minimum cost to borrow has gone negative, indicating that some brokers are still encouraging shorting by offering to pay borrowers. This is another sign of the ongoing challenges SoFi faces due to manipulation. Despite this, the average cost to borrow remains low at 0.48%. Looking at the technicals, SoFi is trading near its lower Bollinger Band, which could be a key area to watch. If the stock can break above its 50-day moving average, it could see a significant rally, potentially 20 to 30%. Currently, SoFi is considered oversold, with a stochastic reading of 22. If positive news surfaces, it could trigger buying from value investors. It's also worth noting that retail investor interest has waned, leading to lower trading volumes. The broader market, including growth stocks like SoFi, needs to regain confidence before we see a big rotation back into equities. There's still a significant amount of money, over $6 trillion, sitting in money markets, earning interest instead of being invested in stocks. If good economic data is released, this could encourage some of that money to flow back into the market, reducing the potential for manipulation due to low volumes. In summary, this week will be critical for SoFi and the broader market. With volatility expected, it's important to stay informed and consider all the factors at play. Let me know your thoughts on SoFi and where you see the stock heading this week. Based on the data, it seems likely we'll see SoFi trading closer to $7. But if any of the upcoming data disappoints, be prepared for a potential pullback. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.